Network cabling requires specific tools and equipment to ensure proper connections and functionality. The essential tools include Ethernet cables, which are used to transmit data between network devices such as computers, routers, and switches. RJ45 connectors are modular plugs that terminate Ethernet cables, enabling network connections. A cable tester is used to check the continuity, wiring, and functionality of Ethernet cables, while a crimping tool helps attach RJ45 connectors to Ethernet cables by pressing the internal pins to secure the connection. Now let's discuss the two main types of Ethernet cable wiring standards used for networking. The first type is the crossover cable, which has one end following the T568A standard and the other end following T568B. This type of cable is commonly used for connecting similar devices, such as PC to PC or switch to switch. To create a crossover cable, we first cut an Ethernet cable to a length of 1 meter and strip off the protective jacket to expose the internal wires. Next, we align the wires according to the T568A standard, where the green pair is placed before the orange pair in the RJ45 connector. After aligning the wires, we trim them evenly so they can smoothly pass through the RJ45 connector. We then insert the wires into the connector and use the crimping tool to secure them. The same process is repeated for the other end of the cable, but this time we follow the T568B standard, where the orange pair comes before the green pair. Once both ends are secured, we use a cable tester to check if the wiring is correct and functional. The second type of Ethernet cable wiring standard is the straight-through cable, where both ends follow the same wiring standard, either T568A or T568B. This type of cable is used for connecting different types of devices, such as a PC to a switch or a router to a modem. The steps for making a straight-through cable are similar to those for a crossover cable. We start by cutting the Ethernet cable to 1 meter, stripping the protective jacket, and aligning the wires according to the T568B standard, or T568A if preferred. After trimming the wires evenly, we insert them into the RJ45 connectors and secure them using the crimping tool. Finally, we test the cable using a cable tester to verify that the wiring is correct and fully functional. By following these steps, we successfully created both crossover and straight-through Ethernet cables, ensuring they meet the necessary wiring standards for proper networking. Using a cable tester allows us to confirm that our cables function correctly, making them reliable for different networking purposes. And with that, our network cabling process is complete. Thank you.